What if I told you that ancient civilizations had solutions to every modern problem you're facing right now? Stress, anxiety, lack of purpose, feeling disconnected. They figured this out thousands of years ago. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful spiritual practices that have survived for millennia because they actually work. And the best part? You can start using them today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Celine Ray, and this channel is all about bridging ancient wisdom with modern living. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we're about to explore practices that could literally change your life. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit that our ancestors would have considered sacred knowledge. Let's start with the granddaddy of all spiritual practices, meditation. But here's what most people get wrong. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind or achieving some Zen-like state. The ancient Buddhists and Hindu practitioners understood meditation as mental training, like going to the gym for your brain. Start with just 5 minutes daily. Use apps like Headspace or Calm if you need guidance. Focus on breath awareness, and when your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Studies show 8 weeks of consistent practice literally rewires your brain for less anxiety and better focus. Ancient practitioners discovered what neuroscientists now prove. Meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex while shrinking the amygdala, your brain's alarm system. You're literally rewiring yourself for peace. The Japanese have a practice called Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. This isn't hiking or exercising. It's the art of simply being present in nature. Ancient cultures worldwide knew what we're just rediscovering. Nature heals us on a cellular level. Spend 20 minutes in any natural setting without your phone. Engage all your senses. Feel the air, listen to sounds, notice smells. Trees release phytoncides, natural compounds that boost your immune system when you breathe them in. Studies show forest bathing reduces cortisol levels by up to 50% and increases natural killer cells that fight cancer. Nature's pharmacy right at your fingertips. Every major spiritual tradition has some form of fasting. The ancient Greeks, Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, they all understood that periodically giving your body a break from food creates profound mental and spiritual clarity. Start with intermittent fasting. Eat within an 8-hour window, fast for 16 hours. Try a 24-hour fast once a week, but check with your doctor first. Fasting triggers autophagy, your body's natural detox system. It also increases BDNF, a protein that grows new brain cells. Ancient practitioners knew fasting brought mental clarity and spiritual insights. Now we know why. The ancient yogis discovered something incredible. By changing how you breathe, you can change how you feel instantly. Pranayama, or breath control, is like having a pharmacy built into your body. Box breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Wim Hof method. 30 rapid breaths followed by breath retention. 4-7-8 breathing for sleep. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Different breathing patterns activate your sympathetic or parasympathetic nervous system. You can literally breathe yourself into energy or calm. Navy SEALs use these ancient techniques for stress management. Ancient Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and spiritual traditions worldwide have always emphasized gratitude. But here's the twist. Gratitude isn't just about being thankful. It's about training your brain to see abundance instead of scarcity. Write down 3 specific things you're grateful for each morning. Practice gratitude walks. Notice and appreciate everything around you. Neuroscience shows gratitude practices increase dopamine and serotonin while building new neural pathways. You're literally training your brain to default to positivity instead of negativity. How powerful is that? Ancient cultures understood that ritual transforms ordinary moments into sacred ones. This isn't about religion. It's about creating intentional moments that anchor meaning in your daily life. Morning ritual, 10 minutes of intentional time before checking your phone. Evening ritual, reflect on the day and set intentions for tomorrow. Rituals create what psychologists call sacred time, moments where you step out of autopilot and into presence. They provide structure and meaning in an increasingly chaotic world. Every wisdom tradition emphasizes service to others. The Hindu concept of seva, Christian charity, Buddhist compassion, they all point to the same truth. Serving others is how you find your own purpose. Volunteer 2 hours per week in your community. Practice random acts of kindness daily. Use your skills to help others. Mentor someone. Teach a skill. Here's the beautiful paradox. When you focus on serving others, your own problems seem smaller and your sense of purpose grows. Studies show volunteers live longer and report higher life satisfaction. Ancient wisdom knew what science now proves. We find ourselves by losing ourselves in service. Here's the beautiful thing about these practices. They've worked for thousands of years across every culture because they address fundamental human needs that haven't changed. We still need peace, purpose, connection, and meaning. Start with just one practice that resonates with you. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one, commit to it for 30 days, then add another. These aren't quick fixes, they're life practices that compound over time. Which of these practices are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more ancient wisdom for modern living. And hey, share this with someone who could use some transformation in their life. Remember, the ancients left us these gifts for a reason. It's time to unwrap them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we will dive deeper into a spiritual guide for the overwhelmed American. Until then, stay curious and keep growing.